To optimize safe operation of your Hustler mower on sloping or uneven terrain, installation of a rollover protective structure, ROPS, is required. A ROPS with a seat belt is an important feature and is necessary in almost all operating conditions. The ROPS with a seat belt is particularly important when the Hustler Z and Super Z will be used on slopes where there is a chance for the equipment to roll over. A certified 2-post ROPS with a 4-post roll cage is standard on the all-terrain Hustler ATZ. A foldable ROPS is available for the Hustler Z, Super Z, Mini Z, and Super Mini Z models. A ROPS can be added to any Hustler Z, Super Z, Mini Z, or Super Mini Z model at any time and is required if a decision is made to use the equipment on a slope. Inspect the seat belt system daily prior to mowing for signs of damage. The seat belt system includes the following items: seat, seat belt parts, seat pan, and seat pan latch. These parts should be replaced if any parts indicate signs of cuts, fraying, extreme or unusual wear, significant discoloration due to UV exposure, dirt or stiffness, abrasion to the seat belt webbing, damage to the buckle, latch plate, or hardware, or any other problem. The ROPS structure's protective capability may be impaired by structural damage, overturn, or alteration. Do not remove or alter any of the ROPS parts. Failure to adhere to these instructions could result in severe injury or death. If your Hustler mower is equipped with a foldable ROPS, keep it in the raised and locked position and be sure to wear the seat belt. Always inspect the area to be mowed for adequate height clearance under such items as tree limbs, guide wires, and doorways. Of course, the structure can be pivoted down to allow the mower to be operated under low-hanging tree limbs or other obstructions, but only lower it when absolutely necessary. With the seat belt unbuckled, drive slowly and carefully under the obstruction, and then raise the ROPS back into position and buckle the seat belt as soon as clearance permits. When raising or lowering a foldable ROPS, make sure it's securely locked into position or properly stowed before proceeding. Remember, with the ROPS in the lowered position, you should not wear your seat belt since there is no rollover protection. It's also important to keep your Hustler tractor clean and free of dirt, debris, or other material. Flammable materials, grass clippings, or trash which are allowed to accumulate on top of the deck, in the tractor's engine compartment, or exhaust area, or near the battery, fuel line, fuel tank, or operator station increase the potential for damaging and dangerous fires. Keep safety shields and covers in place, except when servicing your tractor, and clean up oil or fuel spillage and allow your machine to cool before fueling and putting it away. Remember, knowing how to properly service and safely operate your tractor is your responsibility, and it's just good common sense. Please take time to review the additional safety information found elsewhere on this DVD. Your Hustler turf equipment is designed to make your life easier and your mowing experience efficient and enjoyable. By becoming familiar with and following these guidelines, you can ensure that that's the case.